if you remember that creative nonfiction is a series of scenes, and if you remember that you're also the journalist and you're interviewing people, the thing that you need to do is to try to put them together so that the people you're interviewing will also tell you stories. So your interviews need to be stories, or should be stories. Your interviews needn't be information only, yes or no, question and answer. Understand that, again, we're writing a lot in yellow. So try to, when you talk to the people you're interviewing, try to get them to do the work for you. And so when they're telling you something, ask them to illustrate with a story. What do you mean? Did that happen to you? When did that happen to you? How did you feel when that happened to you? What were you wearing that day? What was the weather like? All the stuff that you as a writer would put in the story, your interviewees can put in the story for you. Creative nonfiction writers are listeners. Yes, we interview, but we don't quote very often. We try to take the information we get in interviews and turn that, in one way or the other, into dialogue, into conversation. In the real world, people aren't interviewed. People aren't quoted. In the real world, people speak to one another.